you're cooking pabaw. Koa's cooking pabaw.
Hello, this is our kitchen.
Okay, can you give me a tour to your kitchen, please?
Hello, this is our kitchen. Happy Islanders.
Wow, that's so nice, Lilo. What can we see here?
Some macaroni and some sand,
Some macaroni
some
and
salt.
some salt. And who made this? This looks like a yummy dish.
Linen.
Oh, Nining.
Hello.
Saan ilasodaan?
Mommy, you can't eat it now. You can't take off the skin, then you can't eat it.
How do I open it? How do I eat it? Can you show me?
Because you can peel out the peels. And now you can eat it like this.
Oh, can I see? Can I see how it gets open?
You can't open it.
Oh,